Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am in my primary bedroom. I am going to create a neutral, cozy space and take down the rest of my Christmas decor. And I'm also adding a new piece in this space by Konfein. Oh, how I wish I could snap my fingers and all of my decor, Christmas decor, would be taken down. Well, look at that. It is gone. So today's the day where we take all of the bedding off in our home and we wash the linens, and that's what I'm doing now. Now, while I'm taking off all of my bedding, I have a question for you. Do you know how often you should replace your bed mattress? Well, experts recommend you replace your mattress every 7 to 12 years. It was perfect timing when Konfein reached out to me to take a look at their mattress. This is our old mattress, and we will be replacing it with this new mattress. So let me tell you a little bit about this mattress. This is a 10-inch cooling memory foam mattress. I have a king size, but it comes in twin, full, queen, and king. This mattress is a medium firm mattress. They use a standard 10-point scale to measure and describe mattress firmness. Softer mattresses are on the lower end, while firmer surfaces are on the higher end. The firmness score of their mattress is 6 to 7, making it medium firm. This is a CertiPure certified mattress. This certification ensures that the air cooling mattress has low volatile organic compounds and is safe for indoor air quality. This air mattress is vacuum sealed for shipment, and it only takes a couple of hours for it to reach its maximum size. This mattress is made of ice silk fabric, a breathable material that provides a cooling sensation and promptly lowers body temperature upon contact. This feature ensures a refreshing sleep experience, making it ideal for those that are prone to night sweats. Beneath the mattress is a temperature-sensitive memory foam that can adapt its shape and firmness based on changes in the body temperature and pressure. While you sleep on this 10-inch mattress, the foam will conform to your body shape, distribute weight evenly, and reduce pressure points for a good night's sleep. And of course, we must test it out, right? I wouldn't bring a product to you unless I love it. And my hubby has to be so extra. This is a king size bed and he has on his crown. It's fit for a king. I'm loving the mattress so much that I do not want to get up. Special thanks to Konfein for the opportunity to share this amazing product with you. I will have Konfein's website information, social media sites, and the link to this product listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. So in a recent video, I think when I was decorating this space for Christmas, I shared that I had ordered a new bed frame for my room. Well guys, this bed frame still isn't here. It hasn't been delivered as of yet. But I promised my son that I would give him this bed frame. So I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna continue to wait. I'm gonna wait 1 or maybe 2 months max before I request my refund. I really love the bed that I ordered. But for right now, we're still going to make this space cozy for hubby and I. Now that military life never leaves us. As you can see, we're doing that military bed corner. Never leaves, guys. Even here in Florida, it's been cold, so we have to layer the bed. Like in the 30s, yes, layering the bed. Since we had a bold color in here for the holidays, we just want something calm and neutral in this space. Most of this bedding came from Amazon, so anything that I can link will be listed in my description box below. Now we made up this bed and forgot one thing. That I need to hang something on this wall. So I shopped my home and I found these beautiful wall pieces that I had for a couple of years now that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And they will do for now. I do have something new for this space when the bed arrives. And I'm just going to keep our nightstands simple. We have boxes on our nightstand to hold some necessities, and we're going to add pictures of our grandsons here. Here's a look at what we've accomplished today here in my primary bedroom. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to head on over to Konfein's website, especially if you're in need of a mattress. All of that information is listed in my description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok, and shop my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links are listed in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.